Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Solana from Exmo to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just switching exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. Solana is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies, so managing your assets efficiently is key. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Exmo and Bitrue. If you don't, head over to their websites, sign up, and complete any verification processes. Security is crucial in crypto, so double-check that your accounts are secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Solana balance. Here, you'll see an option to withdraw or transfer funds. Step 2. Now, switch over to your Bitrue account. Go to the Deposit section, select Solana from the list of cryptocurrencies, and copy the provided wallet address. This is super important. Double-check that you're copying the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Step 3. Back in Exmo, paste the Bitrue Solana address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Solana transactions are usually fast and cheap, but fees can vary based on network congestion. Step 4. Review all the details carefully. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll likely need to approve the transaction via email or 2FA. Once done, the transfer should process quickly, typically within a few minutes. After the transfer, head back to Bitrue and check your wallet to ensure the Solana has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time and keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Solana from Exmo to Bitrue in 2025. Always stay vigilant with your crypto. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage if possible. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.